Introducing the FEBS EKG Interval Ruler, a pocket-sized ID real badge tool to measure intervals for quick EKG interpretation. FEBS ruler can be used on 12-lead EKG and 3-lead EKG strips. The ruler has a central core area to measure intervals and a calibrated ruler on both peripheries to identify an irregular rhythm like atrial fibrillation. To measure the heart rate on an EKG or a strip, place the vertical red baseline on an R wave and match the R to R interval to get the heart rate. In this example, the RR distance is 100, and here the heart rate is 100. Let's do another one, and in this, the heart rate is 115. Now check this one, the heart rate is 35. He might need a pacemaker if he is symptomatic right away. What do you think about this ruler, my paramedic friends? How handy this would be in identifying a sinus tach versus AFib behind the truck on your call. Now, let's move on to the PR interval and match the calibrated color-coded boxes on an interval. Here, the PR interval is 0.16. Let's do another one. Here, the PR interval is 0.24. For quick reference, our calibrated boxes are color-coded. Anything abnormal is highlighted in red. FEBS ruler thus replaces the old paper and pencil matchup, manual counting of boxes, and no more accidental poking from sharp calipers. Now let's move on to the QT interval and match the calibrated color-coded boxes to a QT interval. Here, the QT interval is 0.46. Let's try an abnormal one. Here, the QT interval is greater than 0.52, so let's be proactive to identify this early and prevent that lethal torsades de pointes. The bottom of the core has a schematic representation of the measuring zones to assist beginners. What makes us different is our robust construction, easy use, and great accuracy. FEBS ruler is easy to carry around, can withstand drops, and a quick wipe with an alcohol swab is enough for your next use.